When you live in Japan, you'll soon realize that earthquakes are a common occurrence here. While most of them are small, Japan has had some large earthquakes in the past that have caused a lot of damage, which is why it's important to be prepared with the necessary tools and knowledge to ensure your safety. Unlike Shelly here. Here we have a meticulously curated survival kit with essential resources tailored to help during or after an earthquake. The contents include water, non-perishable food, portable chargers and batteries, cash, toothbrush and toothpaste, towels, copies of important documents like passports and health insurance cards. Other things include medicine, bandages, and sanitary products. An extra pair of glasses, a change of clothes and shoes, a durable and long-lasting flashlight, a whistle, a radio for news updates, a large garbage bag, emergency phone numbers to get help or contact family and friends, and a backpack to put everything in. Have one bag for each member who can carry it. You should also review a disaster preparedness guide online or from your local city office. Learn where the nearest designated shelter for your neighborhood is. In Japan, this is most often your local school or a public facility. Remove or isolate flammable materials such as gas heaters. Secure heavy furniture and cabinets to the walls. Keep beds and children's play areas away from heavy furniture. Inform your family where the survival kits are stored. Make sure you know how to use phone booths, as they can be used during power or cell outages to contact emergency services. For police, call 110 or 110. For fire rescue or ambulance, call 119. You may need to provide your address, so make sure you know that by heart. The government uses a variety of ways to reach people in affected regions. Some examples include an alarm or chime, which will come from your radio, TV, or mobile phone. In some communities, loudspeakers outside may blast warnings as well. During an earthquake, stay away from glass and windows or anything that can shatter. If inside, hide under something sturdy like a dining room table. Stay inside until the shaking stops. Don't try to move around. If you wake up to an earthquake, stay in bed and protect your head with your pillow. If outside, move away from vending machines, buildings, or anything that could fall on you. Find a safe, open spot and stay there. After the earthquake, open doors and windows to avoid being locked in case of aftershocks. Don't use elevators as they can malfunction or trap you. Instead, take the stairs after the earthquake. Monitor local TV and radio for evacuation information and updates on the earthquake, as the situation may change. Here are some English radio frequencies to monitor during an emergency. Contact your relatives or someone you trust back home whenever possible to inform them of the situation. You may also want to keep your local embassy informed as to where you are. This is especially true if you are traveling or staying in Japan by yourself and have no one to contact back home. Preparedness and knowledge are key when it comes to safety. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and take proactive steps to protect yourself and your loved ones in the event of an earthquake.